In this video, I will show you how you can create a Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Sign into your Galaxy. After that, just tap on Forgot Password or Don't have an account. Now on this page, just select Create Account. Now from here, just select the range of your age. Now I will select I'm over 13. Now just scroll down and select I have read and agreed to all the above, and tap on Agree. And in this section, just enter the email address with which you want to create your Samsung account. After you enter your email address, then tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you do that, then tap on Next. Then in this section, just enter your date of birth. Then tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter your first name. Then tap on Next. Then lastly, in this section, just enter your last name. After you do that, then just tap on Done and tap on Next. Now in this section, just enter the phone number which you want to link with your Samsung account. After you enter your phone number, then tap on Send. And after you do that, you'll receive an OTP code on the phone number which you have entered. After you receive the code, then just enter it into this section. And after you've done that, now you'll enter into this page. Now if you want to create a Samsung account passkey, you can do it from here, but I'll select Setup later. And as you can see, we have successfully created a Samsung account on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.